Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Notion calendar. First, create a brand new page in Notion and choose the Table Database option. Give your database a clear and descriptive name like My Calendar or Team Events, so it's easy to find later. The most crucial first step is to add a date property to your database. This property is essential for all your scheduling and event tracking, allowing you to assign specific dates to each entry. Now, let's add some essential properties to make your calendar truly functional. You'll want a text property for the event name or a brief description, giving you space for important details. Next, add a select or multi-select property to categorize your events, perhaps into work, personal, or family. This helps with organization. Finally, a checkbox property is incredibly useful for marking tasks or events as completed, providing a clear visual cue for your progress. With your properties in place, it's time to configure the calendar view. Switch your database view to Calendar to transform your table into a visual schedule, making it much easier to see your events at a glance. Next, adjust the calendar properties to display the most relevant information directly on your calendar cards, such as the event name or category. Don't forget to use the filter and sort options to organize your entries, perhaps by date or category, for optimal clarity. To take your Notion calendar to the next level, consider these advanced tips. You can link your calendar to other Notion databases, creating powerful, integrated workflows for projects or tasks. For events that occur regularly, like weekly meetings or monthly reports, utilize recurring templates to save time and ensure consistency. Lastly, for team projects or family planning, share your calendar with others. This enables seamless collaborative planning and keeps everyone on the same page, boosting productivity for all involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.